I am now in the village of Kientzheim in Alsace in eastern France. And this Sherman, the M4A3 that's behind me here, played a vital part in the liberation of Kientzheim in December 1944. So this Sherman belonged to the French 5th Armoured Division that was taking part in the actions to liberate the villages of Kientzheim, Sigolsheim and Kaysersberg in this whole region. And it was here on the 18th of December, as part of the operations to clear out the Germans from this region, that it was struck by a Panther tank. And you can actually see the impact point on the tank where the round went in, and then where the top plate burst open as a result of the fire that was created after it was hit. Now, all of the crew bailed out, apart from the gunner, and he was determined that that Panther tank was going to pay for what it had done to his tank. So he stayed at his gun and kept putting round after round onto the Panther until eventually it was knocked out. Only then did he abandon his gun. The tank remained where it was knocked out until the 1960s, at which point it was recovered and it was repaired and restored, and it now sits here proudly on the edge of Kientzheim village as a permanent tribute to the men that were responsible for liberating the village of Kientzheim, Kaysersberg and the other villages in this region from the German forces in December 1944. If you've liked this episode of World War II Wayfinder, please subscribe. I've got loads more to bring you from the battlefields of Europe. See you in the next one.